Otsego families. I'm Jeff Haas, and I have the honor and privilege of serving as superintendent of Otsego Public Schools. The 2021 school year is coming up soon, and I'm thrilled to say we'll be able to welcome our Bulldogs back. This has been a trying time, but also one where we come together to connect in new ways and be innovative in how we educate our students. Our plan was not done alone. We looked at what was best for OPS in reopening this fall. We looked at the latest information we had at the time, guidance from the health department experts, requirements and recommendations from the My Safe Start and Return to School Roadmap from the Governor's Office and the Michigan Department of Education, and results from our Back to School Parent Survey. Our region is currently in Phase 4, so taking all the information into consideration, Otsego Public Schools will be starting the school year with our hybrid learning plan. This plan brings students into the school in person 2 days a week, with remote learning taking place 3 days a week. Our plan involves much more than a schedule. We know that the type of instruction, cleaning practices, technology, social-emotional health, transportation, and communication are also important, and we want to make sure you understand each component.
Your child has experienced a significant event in our history and in their short life. We know that this will impact students in very different ways. Some of you already know that your child will need some extra support due to increased anxiety, sadness, worry, or distraction because of this global pandemic. But even the kids you might not expect will experience new feelings when coming back to school. We want to assure you that we have built-in supports to the start of the school year to address all social-emotional needs of your child. There will be daily check-ins by your child's teacher, built-in time for relationship-building activities during the first few weeks of school. A student support team has been established at each building, ready to respond to any needs your child might have. A district-wide clinical counselor is available to talk to students who need more intense support. And classroom discussions are designed by our student support team, and they will engage students in how a significant or even traumatic event might impact each student's ability to learn and feel throughout the day. There will be reteaching of daily schedules and routines by classroom teachers. And finally, we have counselors, social workers, behavior specialists, a psychologist, and licensed therapists as part of our district team to help you every step of the way.
We are so proud of our OPS staff who have been working very hard since the spring on our back-to-school needs, preparing for both hybrid and remote learning models. We are ready to go and looking forward to beginning the school year with this new plan. Students will receive instruction and materials to fill the gaps as needed from the spring and new material to keep them moving forward. We will help students and you at home with schedules and pacing. We have systems in place to help students that are struggling. Our teachers and staff are excited to see our students, get them started on the new learning plans, meet their needs, and assist to make sure your child excels.
The technology department is here to support you, our students and parents, as well as our teachers. We will make sure students have a device to use so they can work remotely. When students are working remotely and need technology support, you can email techsupport@otsegops.org. If you do not have internet access at home, we have plans in place to provide students with the materials and resources they need so they can continue doing their work offline. We look forward to seeing you in August.
OPS has an amazing team of custodial staff who are focused on the health and safety of your child. Their work has already started. Our custodial staff is busy getting the schools ready for your children this fall and prepared to keep the schools clean and safe. We have a number of new safety features and practices taking place, including an increase in hand sanitizing stations in all classrooms and buildings, signage to encourage hand washing, social distancing, and good hygiene practices. We will be addressing traffic flow in our hallways and entrances and reducing the number of visitors. Frequently touched surfaces will be sanitized multiple times per day. We will have an adequate supply of EPA-approved cleaning supplies and PPE to stay focused on the health and safety of our students and staff.
All of our bus drivers are focused on providing your child a safe ride to school and back home. We will be installing new hand sanitizer stations on all of the buses. We will have assigned seating to limit exposure to others. Buses will be cleaned after each route. We'll get your child to school safely and look forward to seeing them soon.
We know this is a lot of information, but we also know that communication is key, and we're going to make sure that you are informed with the latest information as we know it. Superintendent Haas will provide weekly updates. All of our communications will be sent through email and text from the Information and Infinite Campus, so please be sure your contact information is correct. Also, look to your building's weekly newsletters for school-specific information and the links to district updates. And all of our plans, updates, information, and more will be posted to the Return to Learn 2020 section on our website, which you can find under the District tab at otsegops.org. This will be consistently updated. We also have a designated email address for your questions, returntolearn@otsegops.org. We want you to be and feel informed, and as always, let us know if you have any questions. We are here to help.
We look forward to seeing our Bulldogs back in a few weeks. Please look over the Return to Learn plan, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.